Now here's a tip: if the acrylic it's loose, could be the tolerance sometimes could be higher than so it won't be clicking tight as normally supposed to be. So you can put actually a little bit of tape, clear tape, the one that it's not rubber, it's plastic, it can break, so it will break. So it's a little stripes you can put there, so when you insert it, let's see, it will break it, it will be exactly the tolerances. Let me see here if I can get it with one hand. Okay. So you can see here, it will break the tape, it will get okay. And now it's tight. So after I put both pieces here, you can see it's really solid. You can see the tape from the outside. It's lodged between the pieces.